Subscribe to Masterchefmom and press the bell icon to get all the recipe updates. Hi everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Hope you are all doing good. Today I'm going to share the most requested recipe from all of you. Another eggless cake recipe made using ripe bananas. Yes, you've guessed it right. The Banana Walnut Cake. Simple, easy, fuss-free, eggless banana walnut cake will be ready in minutes. Now without delay, let's start baking. To make this delicious tea time banana walnut cake, these are the ingredients that you will need. First, let's mix all the wet ingredients. So this is mashed banana, 3/4 cup. I'm adding the oil to this. Okay, together this will become 1 cup. This is 1/4 cup oil. Now we're going to mix this, and along with this I'm going to also add the sugar. So I've added the sugar and I'm going to mix this. So you can see the sugar is well mixed. Now I'm going to add the curd. Mix well. So our wet ingredients are now ready. Okay, let's set this aside. Now let's mix the dry ingredients. So this is the whole wheat flour. If you want, you can even use maida or all-purpose flour. I am using whole wheat flour. You can even do 50-50. Half cup of whole wheat flour and half cup of the maida. So this is your choice. So to the whole wheat flour, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda. Mix it using a fork. It's a very quick cake recipe. You can make it within minutes. Okay, and to this I'm adding the cinnamon powder. The minute you add cinnamon, it becomes so flavorful. So mix without any lumps. If you want, you can even sift this flour once so that there is no lumps. That's it. Now to the wet ingredients, I'm going to add the dry ingredients little at a time and mix well to make a smooth batter. So we are gently folding in the batter. So it's mixed well. Now I'm going to add the walnuts. You can break it roughly and you can add it to the batter. You can keep a few to garnish on top. So our batter is now ready. Our cake batter was ready in minutes. Now I have greased a cake tin with the olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, any flavorless oil of your choice. If you want, you can even use butter. Even in the cake batter, if you want to use butter, you can use room temperature butter or melted butter instead of oil. The cake will taste more yummy. That's it. Just make sure that it's uniform on top, the level. Now I'm going to garnish this. This is an optional step. If you want, you can garnish it with walnuts and banana. If you want to make a simple frosting of butter and the flavor of your choice, butter, sugar and flavor of your choice, buttercream frosting, you can do that also. But I'm going to serve it for tea, so I'm not going to do any frosting here. So I've sliced a few pieces of banana. That's it. Our batter is now ready to go into the oven. I'm going to bake this now. So it's been around 25 minutes and I've just removed the cake from the oven. Looks beautiful, light brown crust, so well made. We're going to do the toothpick test. It should come out dry, see, totally dry, nothing. So the cake is done well. So I'm just keeping it in the wire rack for around 10 minutes and then I'm going to flip it and I'll show you how beautiful this has turned out. So easy to make. You saw in record time that we have made. I preheated the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Then I baked this at 220 degrees for 25 minutes. That's it. Our banana walnut cake is now ready. So it's been cooling for some time. Now let's see how it comes out. So beautiful. Look at the texture. And it smells amazing. So spongy. So lovely. I'm going to allow it to cool like this for a few seconds. And then I will show you the front side also. So thank you all for the amazing response that you have given to the book, My Genius Lunchbox. Thank you so much. Bake the cake to say love you so much.
Congratulations, Uma. We are celebrating Uma's book launch.
Thank you, Raghu.
The nice cake that Uma has baked.
Thanks to everyone.
Smells amazing. Spongy too. We are celebrating Uma's book release, My Genius Lunchbox. Uma has baked an amazing, yummylicious banana walnut cake. So spongy. I just love the way walnut crunches in my mouth. It's so good. Thank you all for your love and support. The response you have given to the launch communication has been so touching. Thank you once again for all your love and support.